This is the Marantz Professional Microphone MPM-2000U, and it's a USB condenser microphone with a high quality for DAW recording for a studio. I'm going to open the box and see what comes inside the box. Now let's turn the box, and on the back we have some more information about this microphone. What looks like is missing in the box, it's a tripod or a support for the microphone. So I already bought one, and I also will later do an unboxing and demo of this. But now let's unbox this microphone. But before that, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. This is the plastic case, and there's nothing more inside. And we have a more rigid plastic case. It's a hard plastic, not like the top of protective cases, but good enough. To open the case, we need to pull these things on both sides, and also this one, and open. It's so big that won't fit on the screen. Let's turn this sideways. This case is rigid plastic and with sponges on both sides on the top, and another one cut-out sponge to fit the equipment. Here we have the microphone, the MPM-2000U, inside a plastic bag, and will be connected on the bottom via USB here, USB type B, and the microphone on the top. Later I will do a comparative test with another microphones I have. We also have a USB cable with at least 3 meters. It's a USB type A to type B, so you can connect this to any personal computer. Let's do this later. We have a shock mount inside another plastic bag, so let's take this out and see the shock mount. So we can insert the microphone here, and this will absorb the impacts if you move it. You will screw it here or directly on the bottom of the microphone. That's why I also bought this tripod to support it. So here we have a mini tripod, and we'll do this later. And this is everything that comes inside the box of the Microphone Marantz MPM-2000U. So we have one microphone, one USB cable, one shock mount. Now let's mount the microphone on the tripod. Let's take the microphone and the shock mount, insert it like this, because this will screw on the tripod right here. This tripod will support the microphone on the table. And let's open the box. So it's inside a plastic bag. This comes with a support for hand microphones. We don't need it right now. And the tripod part that we need. Let's take the case out of here for right now. So let's see what we have. We have the microphone, we have the USB cable, and the tripod. We also don't need this big screw right now, because we are going to screw this directly on the mount. Let's push the piston so we can screw this into the shock mount. Let's lock it, and now screw it until it's all done. Keep screwing it. Now open the 3 legs of the tripod, and it's done. Now adjust as you need and lock it. And there it is, the microphone on the mini tripod. So we can record on top of a table. Now on the bottom of this microphone we can see the USB connection. We have the cable. Let's connect it. Let's first unscrew the cable. This plug will connect to the computer, and this other plug will connect to the microphone, and it's almost ready. adjust the microphone as you prefer, just like this. Now you have to connect to the computer so we can start recording. When you finish recording, disconnect the USB cable, close and unscrew the tripod, remove the tripod, let's screw all this. Now remove the shock mount, get the case, and it's a pity that the tripod won't fit inside the case, because I would like to have everything together. And this was the Microphone Marantz MPM-2000U, a condenser microphone. Now let's pack everything. I hope you like this video. Now subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Hit the like button and write in the comments if you have any question, because I read and answer to every comment.